Made it back up here to where we were last night and about to head out on the trail and hike out to the lake. We're about a mile into our hike so far. There's one little lake thing we just passed, but that's not the one we're going to. We think the trail is only a few miles to get there from where we started at. So, you know, we're maybe a third, coming up on halfway there. Kind of warm out, not too bad so far, but definitely want to jump in this lake when we get there. That's where we're hiking down to. It's Lake Josephine. The trail goes around this way and I guess drops down somewhere to get into it, but the water sure looks nice. Well, we made it down to the lake. There's not many places to like jump in at, but I'm definitely gonna wade out into it. I think it's pretty cold, but that's not gonna stop me. All right, we've been down here at the lake for a little bit and it's time for me to get in the water. I'm trying to walk out to that log there so I can jump off of it, but these guys are a little bit wobbly. All right, I made it out across the logs. I didn't quite make it across here, kind of fell in there, but I made it to where I wanted to get to. It is quite refreshing out here. A little bit cold when I'm not moving, but that's okay. Well, that concludes our visit to the lake. You can still see it behind me there. Yeah, we hung out for quite a while. I got in, I swam around, flew my drone around, ate a snack, and a few other people came by while we were hanging out, but it was super nice. The water's super pretty, super clear. It's been a nice warm day. It wasn't too hot. It got a little breezy for a bit, but yeah, now we're hiking back. The hike only took us about an hour on the way out, so I've got my watch going here to record the hike, so we'll see how long it takes for us to hike back out. And this right here is the toilet that somebody put up here, I guess, so that's convenient. Still making our way back to the car. Got less than a mile left. Yeah, the hike back to the car is going pretty good. I feel nice and refreshed after swimming, but yeah, we're almost there. Made it back to the CRV. Car's still here. We're both alive, didn't lose anything. Doesn't look like we have any flats, so we're good to go.